Aki is still capable of crying. People die so often in this field that most devil hunters don't have any tears left to shed. Not Aki, though. I remember thinking how odd he was, going off to bawl like a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after bit the dust. Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice. Best not die.